Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and save a draft listing on your Etsy shop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, Etsy.com, if you have not already. So if you're opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page right here in the upper right corner, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account if you have not already. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. And from here, now we can get started with accessing our shop manager in the upper right corner. This is what's going to enable us to set up a shop if you do not already have one set up. If you already have a shop, you're going to go ahead and be able to access your shop settings directly from the shop manager, and this is how we can get started posting a listing. So basically guys, as you can see here, we have an official Etsy Help Center article on how to post a listing. So you're going to go into the shop manager just like I showed you and then select the listings option. From the listings, you're going to click add a listing. This is the button that's going to enable you to go ahead and fill out the form so you can fill in the relevant information in the listing creation form and then click publish to go ahead and post your listing. But if you want to save a draft and you do not want to go ahead and publish it, or maybe you just want a draft to use later, you're going to see this option right here. So if you'd rather save the listing for later, select save as draft instead, and this is going to enable you to go ahead and come back to your draft and publish it whenever you want, or use it as a template and so on, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.